everyone, I am Vandana and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So friends, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos if you think the videos are really helpful for you. My videos are basically on the pharmaceutical sector in UAE, but I also post and upload video on other sectors on the demand of my viewers and my subscribers. So friends, subscribe to my channel, like the video and share to your friends and your colleagues who belong to the same sector. So आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं चेन फार्मेसीज के बारे में, because I have got a request earlier also and in my some of the recent videos as well that you want to know about the chain pharmacies that are here in UAE. So as we all know that in UAE individual pharmacies are also there, but there is a more trend of chain pharmacies. Unlike in our own home country where we have we have more of the individual pharmacies, in UAE you will find more chain pharmacy, the small groups, the bigger groups, and they have their own pharmacy chains with different names but attached with their group name. So we have many groups here. Some groups are so popular worldwide and they have more than like 200 of pharmacies in UAE, in Dubai, in Ras Al Khaimah, in Abu Dhabi, Alin, Fujairah, Sharjah, and in other Emirates. But most of their pharmacy exist in UAE. So in UAE, in Dubai. In Dubai we have as I've told you in my earlier videos also, if you are my viewer and if you have seen my previous videos, so I have told you that in every 500 meters, even in less than 500 meters, you will find at least 2 to 3, it can be more also, number of pharmacies. So there are lots of pharmacies in Dubai, there are lots of pharmacies in the entire UAE, and the pharmacy business here is it's a blooming business here in UAE, and it's a very good flourishing business in Dubai, in UAE, as well as a good market for pharmacy in Dubai and in other Emirates as well. So बिगनिंग करते हैं आज का चैनल के टॉपिक पे, जो है कि चेन्स ऑफ फार्मेसीज इन यूएई. सो आपने सभी ने सुना होगा द नेम ऑफ एस्टर फार्मेसी. एस्टर फार्मेसी इज अ वेरी बिग ग्रुप इन यूएई. They have their hospitals, they have their clinics, and they have more than 200 pharmacies in the entire UAE. So it's a very huge group with lots of hospitals, clinics, and moreover the pharmacies. And this Astra group also do the recruitment not only in UAE, in India as well. They do the recruitment in Mumbai, and I think they do the recruitment in the south, like in Kerala and in Hyderabad as well. Like only these 2-3 places I know in my knowledge, according to my knowledge. They do the recruitment in Mumbai and also in Hyderabad and Kerala, in some districts of Kerala. So they hire people, candidates, pharmacists, the licensed as well as the non-licensed pharmacists who do not like for the trainee job. They hire from India, as well as they have vacancies here in Dubai as well. So the hiring goes on from India as well as from UAE, from Dubai. Their main office is in Dubai. The number 2 is the Life Pharmacy. Life Pharmacy, like the Astor Pharmacy, is also one of the big group of pharmacy chains, healthcare group in UAE. And they also have like more than, I think, 170, 175, not exactly, but according to my knowledge, more than this or maybe this much. They have these many pharmacies here in UAE, and most of them are in Dubai itself. Their head office is also in Dubai. So they also do the hiring from India as well as from UAE, and I think they also have their recruitment office or in I'm not sure, but I think, but because recruitment goes on from India as well as from UAE. So in India they do from it in the south, from Hyderabad or from in Kerala, and I think Mumbai as well, they hire from there also. They go there for hiring the pharmacist as well as the trainee pharmacist. And in UAE, of course, always we see the vacancies in life pharmacy, so they hire candidates in UAE as in Dubai itself. Then there are other big groups that come after Aster and Life. Aster and Life are the biggest chain pharmacy groups in UAE. So Life Healthcare Group and Aster Group. Next comes Boot Pharmacy. So Boot Pharmacy Group is also a big group. They have a lot of pharmacies in UAE, and most of their pharmacies are in Dubai. Their pharmacies are in malls as well. Mostly their Boot pharmacies are in malls and city care centers, but we see Boot pharmacies in other places of Dubai as well. And then there is a Bin Sina pharmacy. Then this pharmacy group also has so many pharmacies in Dubai. It's also one of the big chain and renowned chain in UAE as well as in Dubai. The Boot Pharmacy, the Bin Sina Pharmacy, and then you have the Planet Pharmacy. Planet Pharmacy also have, Planet Healthcare Group also have lots of pharmacies in UAE. And then comes the Supercare Group. Supercare Group has also got lots of pharmacies in UAE, and most of their pharmacies exist in Dubai itself. Their pharmacies can be seen in the malls, in city care centers, as well as they are in the Dubai streets as well. And so after these many pharmacies, then you have a Thumbe Group. This group earlier had only, like, they have a college here, pharmaceutical college in Ras Al Khaimah, or I think in Ajman, and they also have their hospitals. Their hospital is also there. So this chain has like in the past few years only they have started their pharmacy chain also, and they are growing. This is a growing group. It's already in the healthcare sector, but the pharmacy chain has been started a few years back only. I think past 4 years. So it's also growing group, and they have lots of pharmacies in Dubai. They have many pharmacies in Sharjah, and they have pharmacies in Ras Al Khaimah. They have pharmacies in Ajman, Fujairah as well. So this group is also a good group, a big group. They hire MOH, they hire DHA pharmacist as well. And in case if they have in Abu Dhabi also, then there the requirement is for the HAAT licensed pharmacist. About the license, I think I have already told you in my previous videos, and you already know. Most of you who are my viewers and watching my previous videos also, you must be knowing that you need DHA license for Dubai, working in Dubai as a pharmacist, and you need a MOH license to work as a pharmacist in Sharjah, and then you need a HAAT license to work in Abu Dhabi and its near other Emirates like Alin. MOH is required for Sharjah, it's required for Ajman, it's required for Ras Al Khaimah and Fujairah, as well as there are some hospitals and some sectors in Dubai. They also ask for the MOH licensed pharmacist, and DHA is only for Dubai. So if you have to work only in Dubai, you need Dubai Health Authority license. Licensing procedures, the requirements, what other material stuff, reference book, fees, and all this has already been discussed in my channel in my previous videos. So those who are new to this video, to this channel, who are watching this video for the first time, please go through my playlist as well as my other videos for further information on pharmaceutical sector in UAE. So now moving ahead with the other pharmacy groups, chains in UAE, then you have Alpha Group. So Alpha Group is also, this group, most of the groups are from India. So Alpha Group is also from India, and they have their pharmacies in Sharjah, they have their pharmacies in UAE, in the other Emirates of UAE like in Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, and maybe in other Emirates as well. Then we have a Med7 group. This is also a big group, a growing group, and they have many pharmacies here in Dubai and as well as in the neighboring Emirates. So these are pharmacy groups. And then we have Health First Pharmacy. Health First Pharmacy is also one of the pharmacy chain group. They have their many pharmacies in Dubai and in Sharjah and other neighboring Emirates. Then there is Al Neem Group. This group is also like a few years back only this group have emerged in this pharmacy line, but in the recent years only they have like lots of they have grown up good, and there are many pharmacies this group have in Sharjah as well as in UAE, Ajman, other sectors of other Emirates of UAE like Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, and maybe Abu Dhabi, not sure. Then there is another group, Marina Pharmacy Group, and I think previously you must have seen also I have posted the pharmacist job, trainee pharmacist job for Marina Pharmacy. I have posted for Supercare Pharmacy, Planet Pharmacy. These all pharmacies jobs I have like the new jobs that I had come across, I had already uploaded in my previous videos. So Marina Pharmacy is also one of the good chain of pharmacies in Dubai, and they have many pharmacies here in UAE, in other Emirates as well. Then there is a group chain pharmacy, Docib, D-O-C-I-B, Docib Lulu. This Docib Lulu is the chain pharmacy group of the owner of Lulu. Lulu is a big supermarket, hypermarket in UAE, as well as they have their this group has also their supermarkets and hypermarkets in the other Arab countries like in Qatar and some other neighboring countries maybe. So here also they have it's a big chain. They have the many hypermarkets in UAE, different Emirates, like in Dubai they have Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah. So they have their different chains of hypermarket and supermarket. So they also have their pharmacy chain, which is famous by the name Docib Lulu, and whichever location is their pharmacy, after that they add that name. So Docib Lulu is a group pharmacy chain from Lulu Group, and this is also an Indian owned pharmacy chain. But their pharmacies mostly we don't find them on the like anywhere on the streets or nearby any medical center or something like that. Their pharmacies are mostly in their hypermarkets, in their supermarkets, Lulu. So mostly I have seen these pharmacies in their hypermarkets, in their supermarkets or nearby that. So they also have chain pharmacy, and there are vacancies for this group also. So these are some of the groups that I have shared in my today's video. And friends, I will let you know the names of other pharmacy chains as well in my next upcoming videos, and how to apply for these pharmacies. I think if you have not watched my video how to apply for the job in UAE, please do watch that video. That is important video. In that video I have explained how you can upload your CVs and how you can apply for the jobs in UAE, different Emirates. So like suppose talking about these pharmacy chains, if you want to apply for your for job, trainee pharmacist job or pharmacist job, assistant pharmacist job, technician job, or any other job in these particular groups that I have discussed with you the names today in this video, you can directly go to the career page of these pharmacy groups, and you can upload your CV and your cover letter. Make sure that your CV has a colored photograph, okay, and you have mentioned your all the details properly, especially your education details and your previous experience wherever you have worked in your home country. And you also have a good cover letter. Make a good cover letter also supporting your CV, and upload your few documents, not more, but like your degree, at least your degree certificate, and your home country license. If you are in India, your Indian home country license. If you are watching from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, Nepal, from UK, from Philippines, or from any other country, your own home country pharmacist license that is issued to you to work as a pharmacist in your home country. So scan a copy of that, upload your CV, upload your cover letter, and upload your the last degree certificate. Suppose if you are a master's, upload your master's degree. If you're a bachelor's, upload your bachelor's degree. So these 4 or 5 documents you should upload. Don't just upload only your CV and cover letter. You should upload your 2-3 documents, supporting study documents as well, so that when the recruitment team goes through the online CVs, they can view everything, and if they like the CV, if they like the other things in your uploaded documents, they can contact you directly from UAE. So this was how you can apply for the jobs in UAE for the pharmacy. This is not only for pharmacy. If you are from any other background as well, the procedure is the same, because you cannot do that, you cannot come here directly, so you have to apply from there. But some people are there who only upload their CV and nothing else. So I would tell you and suggest you to upload your supporting documents as well, and supporting documents are the qualification certificate, especially your last qualification certificate, which will be degree certificate or will be a bachelor certificate, and your license, home country license is also mandatory to upload. So if they like, you will be chosen for the work and you will get a call from there. Then you will have like interview, video conferencing interview, either through Zoom or either through Skype, whatever way the company uses for their international recruitment. And then you will be called here for working as a pharmacist or a trainee pharmacist. But I would suggest everybody to go for pharmacist, not for the trainee pharmacist. Only you can go, it's up to you, but I'm just suggesting this thing on the basis of the salary difference. Okay, at least pharmacist salary, I have already told you in my salary video. If you have not watched, do watch it again. The pharmacist salary starts from 3,500 for smaller groups or smaller pharmacies, and from 4,000 or maybe 5,000 also sometimes they give to fresher, because there are people who are fresher and they get 5,000 as the starting salary in pharmacy. So starting from 3,500, 4,000 or 5,000. So this is like quite good salary to survive here in UAE. But like trainee pharmacists, they only get 2,000, 2,500. So you can survive, but it's a struggle for you. It's really a struggle for you. So in order not to struggle to that level, better apply for your DHA, MOH or HAT, whichever license and whichever emirate you want to work. Apply for that license, the licensing procedure, the licensing details. Even I have mentioned the email ID also in one of my videos. You can check in the description box also which video I have posted the email ID of the Dubai Healthcare Authority. Okay, so in case you have any problem, you are facing any problem in uploading, or sometimes it says anything, it can say sometimes, so you can directly email to the DHA and they will reply you within 1 to 10 days time. Usually they apply in 3, 4, 5 days, but sometimes it takes time. So don't be in a hurry, don't be in a panic, and don't think why they are not replying, They take at least 1 week to 10 days time. You will get a reply for your email. And like as per my experience, whenever I had any difficulty or any problem, I had emailed DHA, and they have like in this time duration that I just said, they replied to all the emails and to everyone's emails. So in case if you find any problem, any difficulty, you can email them and clear your doubts. So this friends, this was all in this video, and I have also given the list of the pharmacies chains that I had discussed today in this video, so that it will be easy for you, because when I speak maybe you do not understand properly the name. So I have even written those names, and you can see the names that I mentioned, that I've already discussed in this video, and hope this video was helpful for you, and apply the way I have told you how to apply. You can apply in these all pharmacy groups this way. And thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Do subscribe my channel, do like my channel, and share with your friends.